Chitti, what are you doing?
I'm making a math game for you.
Game! Hooray!
What type of game is it?
It is math-based, which will help you practice multiples.
What? What? It is a game for learning math. I am not interested then.
It's going to be fun.
What are multiples?
In this session, we will learn about multiples of numbers, common multiples, and factors of numbers. You have learnt about multiples in your earlier classes. Let us recall them once. What is the sixth multiple of 5?
5 multiplied by 6 is equal to 30. Therefore, the sixth multiple of 5 is equal to 30.
List the first 5 multiples of 11.
The first 5 multiples of 11 are 11 multiplied by 1 is equal to 11. 11 multiplied by 2 is equal to 22. 11 multiplied by 3 is equal to 33. 11 multiplied by 4 is equal to 44. And 11 multiplied by 5 is equal to 55.
Excellent! You also know that the first multiple of a number is the number itself, and there's no end to the multiples of a number as there is no end to the numbers. Now that you know what a multiple is, let us recollect about common multiples. Akash, let's list out the multiples of 2.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 16, 18, 20, etc.
Akshita, can you list out the multiples of 3?
3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, etc.
Now you can find the common multiples of 2 and 3.
6, 12, 18, etc.
As there is no end to the multiples of a number, there's no end to the common multiples of numbers. Now that you know what multiples are and what common multiples are, let us try to recollect about factors of a number. You had learnt about factors in the earlier classes. What are the factors of 35?
1 multiplied by 35 is equal to 35 and 5 multiplied by 7 is equal to 35. Therefore, the factors of 35 are 1, 5, 7, 35.
Find all the factors of 24.
1 multiplied by 24 is 24. 2 multiplied by 12 is 24. 3 multiplied by 8 is 24. 4 multiplied by 6 is 24. Therefore, the factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24.
Prime numbers. A number that has only 1 and the number itself as its factors is known as a prime number. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 are prime numbers. Composite numbers. Numbers that have factors other than 1 and the number itself are called composite numbers, or the numbers having more than 2 factors are called composite numbers. Can you identify which are prime numbers and which are composite numbers in the following given numbers? 10, 13, 15, 18, 19, 25 and 37.
10, 15, 18, 25 are composite numbers since they have more than 2 factors. And 13, 19, 37 are prime numbers since they have only 1 and itself as factors.
You can find out the prime numbers up to 100 with the help of a method known as the sieve of Eratosthenes. let me teach you how to find the prime numbers by this method. Make a 10 by 10 grid and write numbers from 1 to 100. Cross out 1 because 1 is neither a prime nor a composite number. Now, the least even prime number is 2. Circle it. Cross all the multiples of 2, that is 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. Now, circle the next prime number 3 and cross out all the multiples of 3, that is 3, 9, 15, etc. There is no need to cross the numbers which are already crossed. Now, our prime number is 5. Circulate and across the multiples of 5. Similarly, circle 7 and cross the multiples of 7. Now, circle the remaining numbers. The numbers which are circled are prime numbers. Some important points of prime and composite numbers. 1 is neither prime nor composite number. 2 is the only even prime number. All other even numbers are composite. Smallest even composite number is 4. Smallest odd composite number is 9. 25 prime numbers are there below 100. Look at this pair of numbers, 5 and 7, 7 and 9, 11 and 13, etc. This pair of numbers is prime and the difference between them is 2. Such numbers are called twin primes. Prime numbers having a difference of 2 are called twin primes. Can you find all the twin primes from 1 to 100?
5 and 7, 11 and 13, 17 and 19, 41 and 43, 71 and 73.
Good! In this session, we have learnt about multiples of numbers, common multiple, factors of numbers.
Finding multiples of a number is easy.
Yes, now practice multiples using the game. Do you want to play the game, Akash?
Of course I will.
Ha ha ha!